Hi guys, tudo bom? This is Darcy, and today I have a Get Ready With Me, and I'm going to show you how to create this look that I have on right now, which is super springtime with the Viseart Tryst Palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start just prepping my lids a little bit with a little bit of powder, and I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish, which is my favorite, as you guys can see. I'm not using an eyelid primer because I just want to see how it goes without a primer. I'm going to start with Dangerous, which is this lighter shade right here. I'm going to put it all over the lid and as well as the transition. It will help the other colors blend better. Liaison, which is this other peach color right here. And start building up the transition. It's so pretty. It's a very springy color. Blends really well. Also bringing it in a little bit to the corner of my eyes. Just kind of having that wash of color and building it up. I have a little bit of a hooded eyes, so it's good to look straight up on when you're applying to kind of make sure that it shows up. Sephora brush, Pro number 27, to blend it all together a little bit. Now I'm going to use my fingers to apply the color Darling, which is the peach color one from the top. It's such a beautiful color. And I'm going to do on the inner part of the lid. Illicit, which is this plum color here. And I'm going to use my finger. I'm just going to dot it just to get a little bit of more dimension to the look. I Sephora brush 27 to just blend. Wow guys, this blends so beautifully. Again, I'm not a pro on makeup, but Viseart shadows, they make anybody look like a pro. They're usually expensive, but they're worth it. Just in the corner. The color Rendezvous, this one right here, just in the inner corner to open up the eyes a little bit. Wow guys, I love this palette. It's so good. Just to get a little bit of more smoke in the corners. Now I'm adding with the brush so you guys can see the difference with the finger and the brush. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes with the eyelash curler and apply the Monsieur Big from Lancome. I like simple looks because, again, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just somebody that enjoys makeup. So for me, I like looks that are simple and quick, and you can get this look done in less than 5 minutes. If I wasn't talking, I probably have gotten it done in 3. So I love that it blends so beautiful. There's some fallout, but obviously I did the eyes first, so now I'm gonna do my face and then continue after I'm done, finish it up with the bottom eyelash. So let me now do the under eye area. Liaison again, just on the outside. And a little bit of the Illicit also in the outer corner. Monsieur Big on the eyelashes on the bottom. Now I'm gonna take this out. My hair was a little bit of a mess, so I put it up because I feel like it looks much better for the look actually. So this is the final look. And I really love it. I'm so in love with this palette. I think it's amazing because, again, I'm fairly new to makeup. So I think for people that are new to makeup, Viseart, they're up there in price. This is like $45 for a 9-pan palette. It seems up there in price, but it's worth it because I feel like it blends so effortlessly that anybody can create an amazing makeup look with Viseart. I have a few palettes from Viseart that I'm going to be showing some looks on, and every time I use it, I feel like it just blends itself. So I love, and this one is a limited edition one, so if you have a chance, definitely try it out, and you can create some amazing looks. And I want to hear from you guys. What are your favorite products that you're really into right now? Have you tried anything new that you liked? And also, please make a comment below like your favorite makeup products, things that you're really enjoying right now, because I love trying new things and I'll definitely check them out as well. So please feel free to share with me your favorite makeup products at the moment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!